practical bag. This one's got a full-on charger. A lot of the others now have it fits over the battery. So the other kits from Craftsman I've tested have this small battery charger. It slides over here and it just sits on top of it. Just a different way of doing it. This one's got 2 batteries. That one's only 1/3 charged. Let's see if we do better here. 1/3 charged. Slides on fine. Hopefully it has enough on it to do the test. There is a belt clip and there's a boss on each side for it. Got that brushless sound. They're slow. A lot of decent control that you can feather. Light is at the bottom. You'll maybe you know or don't, but a lot of them come with lights around here. That's the ideal one to get. Makes it really easy to work, but this is better than nothing. Feels pretty good, and we're going to try it on. We're just going to drive it until it strips out. Check this. Secure. Ejects. The battery. All right, let's try it again with a full battery. Yep, drove it till it stripped out, so plenty good. There you go.
Okay, got another Craftsman here. This one is 0 to 4,200 RPM, whereas my other version is only to 3,500 RPM. And ironically, it's actually a little bit bigger in size in terms of weight and protective material on it. But this one came with a battery charger, which you can easily see when it's on charge. It also came with a second battery and a clip to put on for your belt hanger if you like that. And it does allow it for either left or right-handed. It does have a 2-speed adjustment, whereas the other version I have does not have that. So that's kind of a nice thing to have, especially if you're doing a lot of different variable speeds or putting in fasteners. It does come with a nice carrying bag, and honestly, I think I could probably fit both of them in here along with the charger. There's plenty of room, and this bag's not the most stellar, outstanding thing, but it's pretty good. I'm a little concerned about the handle flimsiness there, but so far so good on the bag, and I think I'm going to like this one. Okay, let's give it a try.